Yes, one thing we got going is the earth is still warming up a little bit. So as we go through the impact planner, a couple things to point out. The snow probably not going to pick up for most of the area until the late morning hours, 10, 11 o'clock, and then really gets going this afternoon. Looks like about 1 to 3 inches of snow for most of us, and then some higher amounts to the north. Could be just plain old rain for much of the event during the day today across our southern spots down towards Racine and Kenosha, maybe up to a 1/4 inch of rainfall. The winds are going to ramp up. We could see some gusts up to 30 miles per hour. In general, with that warm ground, we're going to look for mainly wet roadways out there through the day today. Now tonight we could see some snow accumulate on the roadways once sun sets, but slippery across our northwestern spots as well. But in general, wet pavement out there for today. This is a live look in Port Washington. There, temperature above the freezing mark. Northeast winds at 18 miles per hour. Currently in Milwaukee, also above freezing at 36 degrees. Winds out of the east-northeast at 10 miles per hour. And as we look across southeastern Wisconsin, again this morning, 32 degrees, right at the freezing mark in Waukesha, 31 in Beaver Dam. So if we are seeing some sprinkles out there this morning, again, watch out for some slippery spots. Your weather headlines, rain and snow in general delayed. It will start to pick up midday and this afternoon, but accumulation will be mostly on the grassy surfaces. You can see across the Storm 4 Max radar, most of us dry here in southeastern Wisconsin besides those sprinkles. Here's the main area of snow across the plains, Minnesota and Iowa that will expand towards us later on today. Look at things pick up by 10:30. Snow from Milwaukee to the north, probably just rain for Racine down towards Kenosha and Burlington. By 12:30, look how things really start to ramp up. Some darker blues here. The snow rates picking up from Milwaukee to the north, and then south of Milwaukee, primarily rain. But look what happens by 4 o'clock. We start to notice a change over to snow for everybody. By 8 o'clock, snowing for everybody. By 1:30, still some snow around tonight, and then it should be out of here by this time tomorrow morning, and we'll have some sunshine tomorrow. How much snow are we talking about? Going to be tough for this snow to accumulate, but mainly on the grassy surfaces, 2 to 3 inches of snow in Milwaukee. 4, 5, 6 inch totals as you start to climb north, and then by the time you get up towards Fond du Lac and Sheboygan, maybe some 6, 7 inch numbers, and then 1 to 2 inches of snow, with the bulk of that falling across our southern spots heading into tonight as the sun sets. Winter weather advisory in effect for our northern spots from Fond du Lac to Sheboygan to Ozaukee County, Washington County, Dodge County, all under that winter weather advisory that goes into effect at 10 a.m. this morning. Your forecast for today: a wintry mix of snow and windy with a high temperature of 37 degrees, but falling this afternoon. For tonight, a low temperature of 26, snowy and windy. I think in general, most of the area, about 1 to 3 inches of total snow, but heavier amounts will be likely north of Milwaukee. Here's your 7-day forecast. Decreasing clouds on Wednesday, 35. A few more snow showers again on Thursday, 37. We are stuck in the 30s, folks, all the way into the weekend and next week. 32 on Friday, 36 on Saturday, 38 degrees on Sunday, and maybe another rain-snow mixture on Monday with a high temperature of 36 degrees. Stuck in the 30s all the way into next week.